Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a power adapter specifically designed to provide power to the Samsung HW-H450 series audio soundbar subwoofers. This particular adapter is compatible with the HW-H450ZA, HW-H450XS, and HW-H450ZC models, serving as an essential replacement or alternative power source if your original adapter is lost or damaged. It is constructed using high-quality materials, aiming for both durability and reliable long-term performance. A significant feature highlighted is the inclusion of built-in protection mechanisms. These safeguards are designed to protect against common electrical issues, such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, which is vital for protecting not only the adapter itself, but also the connected subwoofer from potential damage. The adapter boasts a compact design, making it easy to plug into a wall outlet without obstructing adjacent sockets, and it's noted for its low power consumption. The manufacturer indicates that the adapter has undergone testing to ensure its safety and durability meet necessary standards. The brand behind this adapter is Jantoy. It utilizes a standard 2-pin main power connector and is intended for wall mounting. The manufacturer provides several important guidelines for its proper use and maintenance. A crucial warning is given regarding voltage selection. Users are advised to choose the correct voltage before connecting any device, as using the wrong voltage can cause significant damage, particularly to electronics without built-in circuit protection. While this adapter is specific to the HW-H450 subwoofer and likely outputs a fixed voltage, this general caution from the manufacturer underscores the importance of verifying compatibility. Regular cleaning of the power adapter's port is also recommended to prevent dirt buildup that could lead to poor contact or adapter failure. Furthermore, users are advised to handle the adapter carefully, preventing it from falling and avoiding throwing, knocking, or shaking it, as physical stress can damage internal components. Using the adapter in environments with extreme high or low temperatures is discouraged, as this can shorten the lifespan of electronic equipment. It is strictly recommended for indoor use only. Finally, it is important not to overload the adapter by connecting devices that draw more power than it is rated for, as doing so can quickly lead to damage. In summary, this adapter is presented as a reliable and safe power solution for the specified Samsung HW-H450 subwoofers, built with protective features and requiring adherence to simple usage guidelines for optimal performance and longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.